Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Flo app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flo app, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Flo app? You can find Flo on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Flo and follow through the on-screen prompt to download and install the app. After downloading, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in or to create a new account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's tags, and that is how to use the Flo app. So with Flo app, you can get daily insights, all right, on your period, or you can even log in pregnancy. All right, so let's see how to get insights from the bottom corner of the screen. So from today, where you have my daily insight, you can log in your symptoms. So click on the plus icon and log your symptoms. What are you feeling today? At that, you can log in your sex and sex drive, your mood, symptoms, vaginal discharge, digestion, pregnancy test, all of this. You can even add an OC, that's oral contraceptive. You can set up reminders to add that. And then you can add other pills that are non-OC. You can set a reminder for you to drink water. I mean, you can even log your weight. You can log your basal temperature in here. You can enter notes. So how do you log your weight? So go ahead and click on this pencil icon right here to log your weight. Click on the pencil icon here to add your basal temperature, and click on the pencil icon right here to add your notes. After doing that, you can check insights right here in this corner for you to check the insight to just get more information about your reproductive health, about your sex health, and of course any of this, just get insight. Now you can click on the secret chart for you to get access into secret conversations. Now here are secret conversations. You can join the conversation. You can read more on you can read more to see what other people are saying. Head over to messages and you can chat. All right, this is sex check-in, and this is little face. So you can just click on this to start a new chat. So start a new chat, add any of, if you want to talk in any of this category, click on that and chat with the virtual assistant for Flo. Now click on partner for you to add your partner. You want to add your partner for your partner to keep updates with, on when you're going to start your period, what happens during pregnancy, just all of this. Go ahead and click on link your partner and you have this code generated. So send pairing code, and you can now send it to your partner. You can copy from here or send it to your partner using any of these social media platforms below. Now I'm going to cancel invite. Yes, cancel. So that's how to explore those icons. So I'm going back to the home page. So from this home page, if you want to log your period, go ahead and click on log period, or you can click on the calendar icon right there. So log period here. Once you click on log period, enter your period date from the previous month. After enter your period days, how do you do that? So just select the dates, and after selecting the dates, that's just going to be it. Click on save. And then predictions are going to be based on what you have entered previously. Now, if you want to check your period calendar, go ahead and click on the calendar here at the top right corner of your screen, and you have the calendar. Okay, so this is your calendar. So you can edit period dates by clicking on edit period dates. So now at the top left corner, you have this avatar icon. Click on the avatar icon. You can do a lot of things here. You can track your cycle. You can click on get pregnant. You can click on track pregnancy for you to log pregnancy. So click on log pregnancy and follow through the prompts to log your pregnancy. And here are some, you can check the graphs and report from here. You can check your cycle and ovulation from here, and reminders. So click on reminders to set your reminders. You can set a reminder. You can toggle on or enable secret chat notification. And here we have personal advice. You can toggle this on for personal advice, and you can log period, set reminder for your period in a couple of days. You can log period end here, just set reminder time and text. You can log period start, and then you can even log contraception. So toggle this on and choose your contraceptive type. If you want to log any of these contraceptive types, choose any of them and follow through the prompts to log that. And then I'm going to toggle this off because I don't want to log that. So you can add a pill reminder by clicking here to add a pill reminder that is non-OC. So you can log weight, toggle this on to log weight, can log sleep, can log drink water, and you can log temperature. So these are the things that you can log. I'm just going to toggle that off because I don't want to set up reminders for any of those. So this is pretty much how you can use your Flo app. So you can click on this avatar icon and click on settings for you to connect your Health Connect data to your Flo app here by setting this up. So Flo app, you can achieve pretty much a lot, and you can even edit your profile info by clicking on this edit info and click on privacy settings. Here's logout if you want to log out, and you'll be good to go. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.